Hey there. Number one way to supersize your business. By far, the number one question I get asked and have been asked over the last nearly 5 decades is, how do I guarantee that I'm going to supersize and grow my business? Well, the answer I always give and will continue to give is you decide that you're going to do it. You choose and you commit and you decide you're going to do it. In other words, you don't quit. Now, I said I wasn't going to talk about an idiom today, and I didn't research don't quit for that very reason, but I do want to talk about ways to guarantee and ensure that you're not going to quit. You're going to avoid that quitter's day we talked about yesterday. So what are, let's say, 5 or 6 ways that can help you make sure that you're not going to quit, you're not going to give up? The first and foremost, most important thing is to choose, to decide, to commit to yourself that you're going to grow and supersize your business no matter what. Know what you want, why you want it, where you're going, and know that there's going to be bumps along the road. You have to go from where you are to where you want to go immediately, unless, by some miracle you win the lottery or you have some great inheritance or some massive good fortune that comes your way. It's going to take commitment and time and energy and effort. It's going to take a plan. It's going to take setting goals, interim goals, and achieving those goals, moving from where you are to where you want to be. You can set SMART goals. You can set SMART goals. We talked about SMART goals versus SMART goals yesterday. Achievable versus unrealistic. I personally am a huge fan of shooting for the moon and going for your biggest, best, most audacious dream and goal when you're building and supersizing your business, and then working toward that. Guess what? No matter what you achieve, it's going to be light years ahead of and much more than if you just set little tiny goals and just, plucked around and easily knock those goals off every year. So you want a plan. You want to have an overall plan. Are your plans going to change? Yes. Take a look at 2020 and the COVID pandemic. Everybody's plans had to change for the most part. Celebrate the little wins that you have along the way to build your confidence in supersizing and growing your business. If you need to, get help, get coaching, get accountability, get support, whatever you need to become the person you need to be to create what it is that you want in your business and in your life. And finally and foremost and most important to me and my beliefs these days is be true to yourself. Be true to who you are and what it is that you're here for and what you want to see and create in your business and your life. And nothing will stop you. You will be able to easily avoid quitter's day. But again, the number one secret, the big secret that everybody's looking for is you just don't give up. You learn from the mistakes, you learn from the failures, you learn from the objects and the obstacles that get in your way, and you figure out and you learn ways around those, realizing that every stage of the game, there's going to be a different set of challenges that we need to overcome in order to create and supersize and build the businesses that we want to build. Questions about this? If you agree or don't agree that's the number one thing, hit me up, especially some of you coaches that have been doing this for a long time like I have, helping people grow and scale their business. What has been the biggest question for you? What has been the number one thing that you found helps people? Mine will always be decide and commit. Once we decide and commit to ourselves, we're going to make something happen. We will find a way to make it happen because anything's possible. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.